Estrangement. When people stopped being close or friendly, there was estrangement between the couple. Their estrangement lasted for many years. Stranded. Stuck somewhere with no way to leave. They were stranded on the road after their car broke down. She felt stranded in a place where no one could help her. Convalesce. To slowly recover from illness. He stayed home to convalesce after the sickness. She needed time to convalesce fully. Plunging. Falling or going down very fast. The temperature was plunging at night. He went plunging into the cold water. Lamented. Expressed sadness or regret. She lamented the loss of her old home. He lamented his mistake again and again. Plummet. To fall down very quickly. The prices began to plummet suddenly. His confidence started to plummet after the failure. Rendered. Caused something to become. The accident rendered the car useless. His words rendered her speechless for a moment. Subdued. Quiet or less strong. His voice was subdued after the bad news. The crowd became subdued after the announcement. Grapple. To struggle or fight with something. He had to grapple with many problems in life. She grappled with a difficult decision. Reaffirmed. Said again strongly. He reaffirmed his promise to help her. The leader reaffirmed his support for the team. Plateau. A level where no more progress happens. His learning reached a plateau after some time. The company's growth hit a plateau. Expatriate. A person living outside their home country. He works as an expatriate in another country. Many expatriates live in that city. Exempted. Freed from a rule or duty. He was exempted from paying the fee. She was exempted from the test due to illness. Mongering. Spreading something bad, like fear or lies. He was accused of fear-mongering. The media was blamed for rumor-mongering. Pilgrims. People who travel for religious reasons. The pilgrims visited the holy place. Many pilgrims traveled together on the journey. Wanton. Careless or without control. The wanton damage shocked everyone. His wanton behavior caused trouble. Dilemma. A situation where it is hard to choose. She faced a dilemma between work and family. He was in a dilemma about what to do next. Starvation. Suffering from not having enough food. Many people suffered from starvation during the crisis. The animal was weak due to starvation. Recession. A time when the economy becomes weak. Many people lost jobs during the recession. The country struggled to recover from the recession. Vainglory. Too much pride in yourself. His vainglory made him think he was better than everyone. She spoke with vainglory about her small success. Camaraderie. Friendly feeling between people. There was strong camaraderie among the team members. The trip created a sense of camaraderie between them. Thanks for watching and subscribe us for more.